In this video, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to have a look at Kusama and Polkadot. We're going to see the comparison, the similarities. Yes, we know, but it's the same teams that develop both of these. So obviously, we're going to see similarities. Kusama being the test network of Polkadot. But let's just see the overall percentage gain. Let's see, which one's more volatile, etc. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all our recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financially advised. So always make sure to do your own research. With that being said, let's get into the video. So Kusama obviously has a lower market cap than Polkadot. Polkadot is a product I still believe is severely undervalued. As you can see, we started to get our entries around the $7 to $8 mark. We actually had quite a lot of positions, and as you can see, we started compounding along the journey. Now, I must say, guys, even when the market is down, we're not seeing a major pullback here, right? We're not seeing a major pullback here at all. Price has pretty much been quite stable throughout its journey so far. Obviously, it hasn't been tested through, let's say, the 2018 crypto market crash. We're looking forward to seeing how this does perform. This is a project where I will not be selling any of my Polkadot. I do believe that Polkadot is going to be the biggest, if not the second biggest to Bitcoin cryptocurrency in terms of market cap and just overall value. This has so much potential, especially when we compare it to Ethereum, but we're not going to get into that in this video. Let's just look at its younger brother KUSAMA, right? Which is obviously the test network that has a lot of use cases. I mean, a lot of people that want to develop on the Polkadot network are essentially using the KUSAMA network, but many of them just stick with it. I mean, it's cheaper. It feels easier to use. I mean, in regards to what the developers are saying, right? It's a blockchain for developers essentially, right? And so far, just from a technical perspective, it's performed quite well. It's pretty much moved in a straight line since its inception. Let me just pull up a comparison here. So there we go. Wrong chart. Let me delete that. 2 seconds. We'll put this on this chart. So we click on the comparison. Let's have a look. Wow. So as you can see, when we compare, when we compare KSM in regards to KUSAMA, as you can see, KUSAMA is in a league of its own, really. I mean, but like I said, both are winners, right? If Polkadot wins, KUSAMA win. If KUSAMA wins, Polkadot wins. So I know the title says versus, but at the end of the day, they're closely related. What's going to be interesting is when the actual KUSAMA's overall market cap starts to really catch up to Polkadot, right? Even if it works out to be half of Polkadot's overall market cap, this is going to be colossal. This is going to be absolutely colossal. I see us hitting 870. I mean, this was an end of year target. And again, I was just being conservative on that video, but I do believe we can hit this level as early as May. As early as May, maybe even towards the end of April. I wouldn't be surprised if this target is hit us $817 per coin. And as you can see, we hit all-time highs yesterday of 500 and just over $500 per coin. This is colossal. For those of you that have been on this journey for a while, you would have seen our video when price was at $100. I literally made a video saying this is probably the last chance to buy. Of course, that was being dramatized just a tad, because I did make another video saying at $200, you know what, you missed the $100 entry. Still a good price. Price has pulled back. This was going towards the end of February when pretty much all cryptocurrencies sold off. As you can see, we had another good entry, $189. And the thing is, guys, it's going to keep looking expensive the more price goes up. It's like, okay, it's too expensive now. Okay, it's at 817, it's too expensive now. But it's still a very low market cap in comparison to the potential of the project, right? And even if we compare it to its cousin or older brother, Polkadot, it's severely undervalued. It's severely undervalued. There's so much potential with KUSAMA. I feel like it's been severely overlooked, and a lot of people are going to look back on this video and say, damn, you were so right. I wish I had just listened, done my own research, and maybe made an informed decision. Remember, not financial advice, guys. It's completely up to you. But it's whether you believe in this long term. Me, I believe in both projects long term. I do believe this is going to be colossal. Like I said, $817, likely before the end of April. Again, we'll have to see on that. Again, we'll see. Let's just see the percentage from where we are now to where that target is. So again, only 86%. I say only 86%, but the way this is moving, guys, is insane. So let's just look at where price was from. Let's say the 1st of March to where price is now. That's 100%. That's insane, guys. Let's look at the percentage gain from the 1st of February to March. Let's just have a look. Okay, we'll just do that again. 2 seconds. There we go. 1st of March. Go forward. That's 94%. This is, guys, this is really, really insane. And just based on those two scenarios, this could potentially hit this before the end of April. This is just super, super exciting. And again, Polkadot is still a lot of potential. Our next target on this is $50 per coin. I'm happy to be a part of. These are two that I will not be selling. I will only be staking, right? Even if this hits, let's say, over $1,000 per coin by the end of this year, I'm still will not be selling. These are two projects I'm in for the long term. Pretty much long term. And this is just a quick insight, guys. I wanted to make you guys understand the overall opportunity and just a bit about both of them. And for those of you that did not know, yes, these two are heavily related. The exact same teams created both. So again, this is super, super exciting. And like I said, to tap into both. I mean, really, if you look at the market cap on this, it's it may seem high, but I still don't believe it's high. But this is completely untapped. KUSAMA is completely untapped. We're still in price discovery phase, guys. You saw my last video. So much potential. But we're gonna do, like I always say this, we have to do a more in-depth on KUSAMA from a fundamental. We'll look at some of the actual in-depth fundamental data that's going on, some of the news updates, and we'll look at the overall percentage. I think we're going to look at the overall price prediction for the year and see how far this thing can really go. But as it stands, this is a beast. Well done. If you're watching this video today, you don't understand how early you are. But anyway, with that being said, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. At the moment, I don't see fear. I don't see greed. All I see is nobody knows what on earth is going on. Nobody even understands the opportunity here. Seize the day, guys.